Hello class 10th. So the topic for today is human excretory system. So the human excretory system is composed of following parts: a pair of kidneys. This is a pair of kidneys, right kidney and left kidney. A pair of ureters. This is right ureter and this is left ureter. Urinary bladder. This is called as urinary bladder, and urethra. This is called as urethra. Okay, so first of all, what is the function of human excretory system? So we know that this through the through the digestion process, the proteins are digested, and whenever the proteins are digested, they generate the amino acids plus some nitrogenous waste. There are various kinds of waste that are generated by our body. For example, the excess of carbon dioxide is removed with the process of exhalation. This nitrogenous waste is the main waste that is actually removed from our body through the excretory system. So that is why the nitrogenous wastes are removed with the help of excretory system, and this is the main function of the excretory system. This is actually responsible for the filtration of our blood. Since our blood, if the blood will be having so many waste products which are not required by the body, that situation may prove lethal. Lethal means that can cause death. So that is why it is very important to remove all the waste products from our body. Now, how does this human excretory system work? First of all, like I told you that the blood vessels which are associated with the lungs are called as pulmonary. For example, if you remember our previous topic of human transportation system or human circulatory system, in that system we have studied that the pulmonary artery carries the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and the pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart again. Here in this case, we call them as the renal artery and the renal vein. Renal term is associated with the human excretory system. So renal is a very important term which is associated with the excretory system. So renal artery, what it is going to do is it will be carrying the blood that is containing a lot of waste products into the kidneys. Now the kidneys, they contain, or they have 1 million nephrons. Each kidney is having 1 million nephrons. Nephrons are what? Nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidneys. Nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidneys. So it is the nephron that actually helps in the filtration of blood, but that topic I'll take in my next lecture. So 1 million nephrons are there which are responsible for the filtration of blood inside these kidneys. Okay, so now this the blood has the blood carrying all the nitrogenous waste is there in the kidney now. So inside kidney, the nephrons will help in the filtration of the blood. Now that blood will be carried by these ureters, these two black structures called as ureters, and ureters will take this blood to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like flexible structure, and it can it can stretch itself up to a certain extent. This is in direct association with the central nervous system. So whenever it gets filled up totally, that it cannot retain more amount of that fluid which is to be removed from the body, then it sends a signal to the central nervous system, to the brain, and brain in turn will be giving the instructions to make this sphincter muscle. There will be a muscle here in the urethra which is called as sphincter muscle, that will make that sphincter muscle relax, and this opening will be opened and the urine will be passed out. Now very important thing here, the blood, actually what will happen, the blood is having all the whatever nitrogenous waste it is having, that will be filtered here. The blood which is purified will be sent back to the body, and the remaining fluid that will be containing 95% water, 2.5% urea, and 2.5% some other waste, that is actually the composition of your urine. Urine is the fluid that is removed from your body. We know that urine, okay, and urine will be removed from your urethra finally. So this is how your human excretory system works. Now the main function or the main filtration unit we can say is our nephron, so that we need to study in details in class 10th. So that topic I'll take in my next lecture. Here you need to understand one very important term, that is micturition. What is this? Micturition. Micturition is what? Micturition is a process of removal of this urine from your body. Micturition is what? It is the process of removal of urine from your body. So this is also very very important, because since you are in class 10, so obviously the level will be different in 10th standard. So you need to study everything in details in class 10th. So this is it. Thank you so much.